And today I'm going to teach you how to make slime. And I got the bow, the face mask, and another face mask. I got 3 packs of glitter. I got this glue and this apple glue. And this is food coloring. And this is shaving cream. And this is
contact solution. And baking soda. We got baking soda. So we're going to show you guys 2 ways.
2 ways.
On how we can make slime. We're going to make the foamy soft slime, and then we're gonna make a glittery slime. So let's get into this video.
I'm just so excited because I got a whole bunch of ingredients and I never made slime before. First time. So first, subscribe to our video.
Okay.
And don't forget to press that thumbs up because we are going to be doing videos every morning.
Okay.
Because we love you guys.
So we here and we finna start making our slime.
And that right there, that is face mask.
Yeah, we're using like a face mask peel. This is one of the ingredients that you can use to start making your slime. And if you want, you can use a little bit of food dye coloring, what is it called? Food coloring?
Yeah.
So we're just putting a little bit of food coloring in there. Vea decided to use what red?
Yeah, red.
So we're just mixing it on up in there, making it all pretty.
And that's up there, that's glitter.
We're putting glitter in there.
And first you have to stir it up.
So
it can look really beautiful like a princess.
And sparkly. I think you used a lot of glitters.
Yeah, because I love glitter.
You used 2 of them.
Yeah. So first we're gonna add another glitter.
Why do you love glitter so much?
Because it's pretty.
It is pretty. I like that color you chose. Look, that's a light pink. You shaking it up, shaking it up, shaking it, shaking it, shaking it.
I would never stop.
Tell everybody how easy it is. This is easy.
It's easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
But
making slime is easy. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I like it.
As you guys see, it's so easy to do this, and it's so fun to do with the family. So you guys should just watch and learn how to do it and just enjoy the fun that you're having with us. Okay, comment below. Tell me if you like more videos like this. Because me and Vay, we are having fun. So much fun, it's crazy. end of our video. I hope you guys liked it. We showed you guys how we make 2 different slimes.
Yeah.
Nevaeh has so many videos in store for you guys. So like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
What you have to say, Nevaeh?
Well, you have to because I'm already playing with it every day. Because this is my slime.
They can't see it.
This is the slime. I'm Santa Claus.
Say bye, you guys. I have fun with you.
Bye, you guys.